What are you doing, Joe?
None of your business. I'm making a birthday cake. This is a Duncan Hines. I hate when people ask stupid questions.
Pumpkin cake.
What are you doing, Joe? I'm making a birthday cake. No, you're not. You're carving a pumpkin. I'm carving a pumpkin, Miss.
No, you're not. You're making a cake.
And what do you think of this pumpkin? This is like one of those albino pumpkins.
I can't tell.
It's a white pumpkin. This is actually white.
Oh.
Well, there's an orange one.
Put the orange one beside
Look at
it. Oh, yeah, it's
Pretty
a
cool.
white
So there's an orange
pumpkin.
pumpkin and a white pumpkin. Here are these local pumpkins. These are local.
Yeah.
These are from
Here's
Bond
Trevor.
Acres.
Here's
Do I
Wally.
put these in the garbage?
Yeah, no,
Sure.
don't put them in yet. They're probably
Right.
hot still.
Just put them on the...
Put them on the counter. So what we're going to do, Trevor's all blowing off firecrackers.
Trevor's blowing
It's
off.
27th of October today. We always,
Do
Just
I
don't-
use this?
yeah, just don't cut your hand off. So
No, I
you
know.
want an angle.
No, I know.
You don't go straight
I
down.
know, I do this,
Yeah,
at
because
top.
that way it won't fall in, right?
No, I know.
So we got lots of pumpkin seeds here. You know what we're going to do?
Mr.
We're going to put these on a tray. And we're going to sprinkle a little monosodium glutamate on these babies. And get some of that artificial garlic powder we bought from Walmart. And we're going to sprinkle them all over these. And we're going to put that oven at 300. And we're going to bake them for about a half hour. or so.
Artificial powder.
Why don't you use that?
Artificial
Well,
powder?
garlic powder. We put garlic powder on.
Oh, I have like Johnny. Yeah, I have some garlic that I could.
Johnny what?
I usually make my own garlic, but I do have some powdery stuff that's got some parsley in it.
Yeah, we're gonna. So we're gonna.
I mean-
We're not gonna use the artificial powder.
I guess not, because I don't have it.
At Wendy's place, we use the real McCoy, but at Joey's place, we use the artificial powder.
Okay.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these out of here now. We're gonna go like this. Here's the seeds, all the guts from the pumpkin, like that. A lot of seeds in here.
There we go.
Actually, we saved some of these.
Here, let me cut this in.
Where'd
Okay.
Wally
Show you
go?
right here. Hey,
Let me
here,
see.
straight off.
I'm looking. Wally, where are you? Where's
Walmart,
Wally?
baby, there he's right there.
Oh, he's there. Hi.
So anyway,
Okay.
we are
I'm coming
Yeah.
over.
a lot of
Okay.
seeds in this little pumpkin here.
Trevor's
Yeah, that's
busy
good. Yeah, not too
working
skinny.
away.
You shaved it.
Cool. Wow, he's got his lid.
Gotta figure out how to.
Do you know what you're doing, Trevor?
Yeah, it fits right there. There we go.
Cool.
Good.
He's going to freestyle carve it.
What are you using?
I'm using a stencil.
No, what are you using?
I'm gonna freestyle carve the stencil.
It's like doing a
Put a
tattoo.
pat, yeah, like a tattoo.
Oh, you could do a tiki. You could
Are
do
you
it.
actually going to
You could do a tiki.
Get me my chainsaw.
Hey, a tiki pumpkin.
Can I use that soon after?
There's one in there.
Oh, here.
There's right in that drawer.
Right over here.
Go look at the fanny perpendicular and you grab
You want
it.
a bigger one?
Sure.
I want that one.
Okay. There is a ton. I cannot believe the seeds in this pumpkin. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have a pumpkin seed
Hello,
feast.
boys. What you doing? What are they doing?
This is perfect.
Should we check back in with them in a few minutes? What do you
You want to
think?
see all the pumpkin seeds?
Hey,
Look
well,
at
let
this.
me-
Look at all the pumpkin seeds in
Wait,
there.
Oh my
we gotta separate them after too.
Why?
Because from the plate, so we can put it on the tray.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay, you boys, I'm gonna turn this off. For
No, keep filming.
You want me to film all through
It's
the whole
gonna be
thing?
about a 30-minute video, guys.
Are you sure?
No, I'm just teasing.
Okay, say goodbye.
No, I'm not ready to say
Happy
goodbye.
Halloween.
No.
What?
I'm not
What?
ready to say goodbye yet. See, this pumpkin.
Yeah.
Can I have one of those Mars bars? Those little Mars bars.
A Mars bar.
Are you still filming?
Are you saying trick or
Are you
treat?
still filming?
Yeah, I am.
Wait, you turn it off
You
now.
told me
Because I'm,
you had something to say. Crunch, crunch. He wants one
These
of
are
these.
for all the trick-or-treaters that come to our
He
door.
wants a Mars bar.
These are for trick-or-treaters that come to our door.
Mars
Do you
bar.
get trick-or-treaters here?
Mars bar.
Huh?
Get.
Did you get trick-or-treaters? Hey,
No.